Building wealth isn't just about earning more money, it's about managing it wisely and making it work for you. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful wealth tips that can transform your financial future. If you want to move closer to financial freedom, make sure you watch until the end. Tip 1. Automate your savings. The first step to building wealth is consistency, and the best way to stay consistent is to automate your savings. As soon as you receive your income, set aside at least 20 to 30% and move it directly into a savings or investment account. When money is in your hand, it's easy to spend it, but when it's automatically set aside, you'll build the habit of saving without even thinking about it. This small discipline is the foundation of long-term wealth. Tip 2. Focus on assets, not liabilities. Tip number 2. Buy assets, not liabilities. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket, while a liability takes money out. For example, rental property, stocks, or mutual funds are assets because they generate income. On the other hand, expensive cars, gadgets, or unnecessary loans drain your finances. Remember, every time you choose assets over liabilities, you move a step closer to financial independence. Tip 3. Create multiple income streams. The third wealth tip is to never rely on a single source of income. If your only source stops, your lifestyle and financial goals collapse. That's why wealthy people always have multiple streams. It could be freelancing, e-commerce, real estate, digital products, or even dividend income. Think of your income like a table. The more legs it has, the stronger it stands. Tip 4. Invest in financial education. Keep learning about money. Financial education is the real superpower of the wealthy. Read books, listen to podcasts, and learn from experts. Warren Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." When you understand how money works, you make better decisions, avoid risky mistakes, and seize opportunities others overlook. And finally, tip number 5, always think long-term. Real wealth is built slowly through patience and consistency. Quick fixes and get-rich-quick schemes rarely work. Instead, focus on small, steady investments that grow with the power of compounding. Wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and let time work in your favor. So, to recap, automate your savings, build assets instead of liabilities, create multiple income streams, invest in financial education, and always keep a long-term perspective. These 5 tips may sound simple, but applied consistently, they can completely change your financial life. If you found this video valuable, give it a like, share it with someone who needs these tips, and comment below which of these steps you'll start with today. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on wealth and financial freedom.